Use enzyme-based deodorants in the dumpster bottom to break down odors at the source. Enzyme-based deodorants work by biologically breaking down organic waste molecules that attract flies and rodents rather than just masking smells. So apply a liberal layer to the bottom of the dumpster after each bulk pickup and follow label directions for dilution and reapplication frequency. For persistent grease or food residue, scrub the interior with a biodegradable surfactant and then spray the enzyme product so the microbes can access remaining organics. Allow surfaces to dry slightly so the enzymes do not get rinsed away immediately. Place sticky fly trap strips near the lid hinges and inside the lid skirt to intercept adult flies before they escape. Rotate strips when they are more than half covered to maintain effectiveness and to avoid secondary odors. Schedule a simple cleaning routine where staff or volunteers rinse and brush each container weekly and perform a deeper wash with hot water and enzyme concentrate monthly, adjusting frequency based on season and volume of food waste. Upgrade to tight-lid dumpsters and install rodent-proofing kits that seal gaps and strengthen door hardware because reducing entry points directly lowers pest pressure and increases the lifetime performance of odor products. Use targeted perimeter sprays with non-residual insect growth regulator products only when infestations appear and avoid broad surface insecticide use that can disrupt enzyme action or create regulatory problems for shared community areas. Common mistakes are treating only the air with masking sprays, which gives a false sense of control. Instead, focus on breaking down organics with enzymes and cleaning so the attractants are eliminated. Another issue is inconsistent maintenance schedules, where products are applied sporadically. Set calendar reminders or assign responsibility to a single person and track applications so treatments are timely and measurable. A third problem is relying on a single tactic like traps or lids alone. Combine enzyme deodorants, physical exclusion from tight lids and rodent kits, sticky fly strips, and routine cleaning for a layered, integrated approach that prevents pests rather than reacting to infestations. At bighomeprojects.com, we help homeowners find local contractors and service providers who work on dumpster area upgrades and routine cleaning programs so communities can implement these odor and pest control practices. We also host a discussion community where we and other members share tips, product experiences, and contractor recommendations, and we help contractors connect with homeowners who need work.